Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the process for recording a payment inside of Construction Online. Now, to begin, we'll need to access the payment section inside of Construction Online, and to do so, we'll need to go to the OnCost Purchasing feature inside of either the company level or a project level. Now, to access that feature from the company level, we'll need to be in the company overview. Click into the Financials tab, click into Purchasing. Then we can move over to the Payment section, and this is where we can create these payments while at the company level. Now, if we wanted to do this from the project level, we would need to choose the appropriate project from the left-hand sidebar. Click into Financials, click into Purchasing. Then we can click into the Payment section here. Now, in Construction Online, we can create a payment for any approved purchase order, any bill that has been marked as ready for payment, or any receipt or expense that has been documented inside of this project. Now, to begin creating our payment, we would just need to click on the Create a New Payment option, and then choose which of those options we want to create this for, whether it be an approved purchase order, a bill that is ready for payment, or for an expense or receipt. Now I'm going to choose the expense or receipt, and within doing so, it will provide me with the expenses and receipts that I can create this payment for. Now, since we are creating this payment within a project, the project dropdown is already going to be filled in and grayed out. And then below that, because we are in this project, it's going to show me the expenses and receipts that I can pay against here. Now I will choose the Home Depot receipt option here, choose the next step, and then my payment details will be presented to me. Now, since I am creating this from an existing expense, it will fill in that information up at the top for me. So the paid to is going to fill in, my payment number is going to be defaulted for me, and then our title is going to be preloaded as the payment number, and then whatever the payment number that is already pre-filled here will fill in that additional space. I can select a payment method that I am going to make this payment with, select the payment date, and also include any additional tags. We also have the ability to apply a memo to this payment if we would like to. And then below that, we can choose how we want to make this payment. Do I want to make this payment as a remaining total of all the line items below, a percentage of those line items, or a custom amount of each line item? Now for this one, I'm just going to say the remaining total of all these line items, and then I'll go to the next step where it'll allow me to link this to the estimate. Now, if I had created this from a PO, a bill that might have already been created off of the estimate, it would have those linkages already applied. Now, since I'm pulling this from a receipt that did not have the items linked to an estimate section, I can do that now by choosing the appropriate category from the dropdown, the appropriate subcategory, and the appropriate estimate item. Now, once I have made those adjustments there, I can go to the final step, which is any additional attachments that I would like to include. And once I have done that, I can hit create, and that payment will be marked into the list below. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.